Bruce from Safiery, and we're going to show you a system live in Melbourne. And because of COVID, it's all remote, going through the Victron remote management system. And this is a schematic of what we've got set up down there. We've got an alternator. It's actually in a VW MULTIVAN. We're going through a Buck-Boost, which is item 1 in this chart here, and it's charging up 48-volt batteries in the rear, going through an inverter charger and running off the 240 out of that. This VW MULTIVAN is using the new Buck-Boost to charge the 4812 system. Now that's what happens when we turn the ignition on. It actually reverses the current flow when the ignition comes on, and then we start the engine up, and now we see the power coming out of the Buck-Boost. So that negative value there is power coming from the Buck-Boost, from the alternator, charging the 4812 hybrid system. Now we bring on the inverter load and just look at this system go up to 1.5 kilowatts, and it even goes higher. Technology at its absolute best. How good's that?